Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to auto-terminate old sessions in Telegram on your PC. This feature ensures your account remains secure and active only on your active devices. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Click on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find Active Sessions. Click on it. Under the Terminate Old Session section, click on If Inactive for. Here, you can choose the duration after which sessions will be terminated if inactive. The options include 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. By default, it is set to 6 months. Select your preferred duration and the settings will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully set up auto-termination for old sessions in Telegram on your PC. By following these steps, you can ensure your account remains secure and inactive sessions are terminated automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.